Hi, this is Liz, and I wanted to show you how to make a chocolate martini. I was on the cruise with my daughter in February, and I'm not gonna lie, I had one for appetizer, and then I had one at dinner, dessert. It was so great, and little by little, I got everybody on the table to try one. So here we go. You get your martini glass. And I put some chocolate in a plate. That's some Hershey chocolate, but you could, whatever chocolate you like. And I'm gonna just do the rim. I don't have a big enough plate. Okay. So, you get the idea. You get it on the rim. And then if you want to really make it nice and fancy, you pour some chocolate down the glass like that. You got some chocolate going down, working down there. Now I'm going to use this measure that comes with the mixer. I think it's a jigger. So I'm just going to put, first of all, I'm going to put some ice. Oh, here it is, right in front of me. Fill this up with ice. You can tell I'm a bartender, you didn't know? Oh gosh. Okay, fill it up with ice because you want it nice and cold. And it's going to be, you got Irish cream or Bailey's. If you had Bailey's, it would be good too. I have this Irish cream, which I think is the same thing. Can you tell I've never done this before? So I'm going to fill that up and pour that in. This is the Bailey, the Irish cream. You're going to get your vodka, your favorite vodka. I got this for Christmas. I'm just opening it today. It already looks deadly, but it's so good. And then you got your Godiva chocolate liqueur, which, oh, here it is. I'm going to fill that up. So it's all liquor, but it's like a dessert, and you're sipping it. You're not guzzling it, It's not something you're going to guzzle. So you put the lid on. And you give it a shake. You want to get it cold. And shake, 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 shake. Now, here's the glass, and then you just pour. Now, you could put some shaved chocolate on top. I don't have chocolate, but I do have this other chocolate. Let me see. Oh, Ma. Oh. No, not yet. Yeah, she's playing. Okay, I'm coming. You get a microplane. And this is the chocolate I have. It's not really the chocolate you're supposed to use. But, okay, Ma, you don't have to have any. She thinks I'm offering her chocolate. So you take this and you grate it on top of the dark chocolate would be better. You would see it more. It would be more pronounced. And also, what I would love is a maraschino cherry that you just drop it in and it's not be on the bottom. It's be so pretty. So anyway, this is a chocolate martini. Cheers. I'm going to give it a taste. I hope it's good. Actually, I'm going to put an ice cube because I like ice cubes. A lot of people say, why do you put an ice cube? I put ice cubes. Oh my gosh. Oh, so good. I hope you try it. I know you're going to be a fan. So be well and stay well. Till next time.